Hi, first grade. Now that we have reviewed all of our lowercase letters, we are going to be working on number formation. For this practice time, you'll need your packet, a pencil, and your colors to rainbow write, just like we did with the lowercase letters. You will also need a space to move because we'll practice making it with our whole body in the air. And when we're doing the writing, you'll want to make sure you're at a desk or a table where your body can be up in the correct position. If you need to stop the video to go get everything ready, you can do that now. Okay, first grade, we are going to make the number 8 today. So this number is like a letter that we've already done. It's like the letter S, but instead of stopping at the bottom of the S, we're going to keep on going and come back up and make a backwards S. And we're going to do all of this without stopping. So we are going to start up on the right side. If you're right-handed, your right hand starts up here in the corner. If you're left-handed, you cross over and start in the corner. All right, ready? We're going to make like a capital S. So we're going to start up high, make an S. So you're going to go across to the other side, come to the middle, then go down to this side, touch the floor, keep going, come back up, cross to the middle, now come up to this side, and close it at the top where we started, just like that. All right, I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Ready? So make an S, but don't you wait. Go right back up to make an 8. All right, let's try it again. Ready? Make an S, but don't you wait. Go right back up to make an 8. And I did all of that without stopping. So we're not gonna make 2 circles, we're making 2 S's, a forward S and a backward S. We are now ready to try writing 8. So let's start by reading the poem and then we'll trace it with our finger. It says, make an S, but don't you wait, go right back up to make an 8. Okay, so take your writing finger, start up at the dot that's going to go left, and we are going to make an S shape. So you're going to do backward, you're going to do a forward C, backward C, but then you're going to keep going, and you're going to come back up, and you're going to cross the middle and come back up to the ending dot. So it's like an S and a backwards S. And we do all of that without lifting up our writing tool. So let's start by rainbow writing. So I've got my red and my pencil grip. I'm going to start here. Make an S, but don't you wait. Go right back up to make an 8. And then try it with orange. Make an S, but don't you wait. Go right back up to make an 8. Okay. Make an S, but don't you wait. Go right back up to make an 8. So it looks like S, backwards S, and then stop. And then blue, and purple. Okay, and then get your pencil ready. Get your three finger pencil grip. So this is left-handed. This is right-handed. And then we're going to start. You might have to give yourself a starting dot. So it's a little bit to the right. And then you're going to go up and touch the top line. And then you're going to make the S shape, touch the bottom, but come back up, cross in the middle, and close it right where you started it. And then lift your pencil. So you'll notice I'm not lifting my pencil up the entire time I'm making the 8 until I get to the end. So S, backwards S. And remember that numbers are capital size, so they are touching the top, the middle, and the bottom line. S, backwards S. 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 Okay, let's make 3 more on this line. And then we'll make 5 at the bottom. We don't want to make too many. We don't want our hand getting tired and our 8's starting to get sloppy. Okay? If you want to do a starting dot, you can. Okay, so we're going to start with a C shape, go to the middle line, then a backwards C, like a capital S. Then you're going to come up, cross the middle line with a C shape and then a backwards. So if I go a little bit faster, it looks like this. So you can see it's more like just an X in the middle when I do that. Okay, all right, thumbs up or thumbs down on this one? That's a floater. Remember, we want it to be capital size. Okay, how about this one? Well, it looks like an 8, but I made 2 circles, and we're going, if you make yours with 2 circles, we're going to change the habit. We're going to get in the habit of not lifting our pencil and doing 2 circles, but making it an S and a backwards S. That actually will be a little bit faster to do it that way when you get used to it, and it will look a little bit cleaner. Okay, how about this? Yep, that's a thumbs up. How about this? Oh no, that's below the dotted line. We want it to be tall. So I'll erase that and fix that. And how about this one? Uh-oh, that one's turned to the side and it's floating. So S and backwards S. Okay, so then we have some ladybug math, but remember, the most important thing on this page is the handwriting of the numbers. So we are not going to make these sloppy or messy or fast. So what we are looking for is that you remember how to make all these other numbers that we've learned on other days correctly, and that they are all touching the top, the middle, and the bottom line. This is a handwriting assignment, not a math assignment, even though we're doing a little bit of math in here. Okay, if I'm counting the spots, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I remember 5, I start on the top and I go straight across, right to left. I go straight down, then I make a backwards C. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's today's number. I make an S and then a backwards S. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, I start at the top, I go down and over like a capital L, and then lift my pencil and then go top to bottom. 2. Okay, remember this is like a backwards capital C and a straight line across at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. So this is like backwards C to the middle line, backwards C to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, this one's a little bit, it goes the same direction as capital G. So I come down and up and close that direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we had that one at the start. So I go right to left, straight down, stop, make a backwards C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's that 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about this? Oh no, I was getting messy. That's a floater. Okay, so we have practiced making 8 and we have gone back and reviewed some of our numbers from other days. So we are all done for today. Good job, and tomorrow we will do a new number together.